Today we're doing another project. Actually quite a few projects because we got a pretty day and it's going to rain tomorrow. So my husband back there is not real happy right now. There's a big frown on his face because we're doing so many projects. But this is one that I've been holding off on since last summer because we just didn't have the opportunity. But today we are finally putting in our sidewalk so we can stop walking through the mud when we come home. And so what we've done so far is we put down the weed blocker fabric. He first used the tractor to scrape up the ground, put down the weed blocker fabric, and then he used the tractor to bring in the sand, and now he is tamping it. I did the tamping last time, he's doing the tamping this time. So next up is placing the stones and then the gravel, and we've got a sidewalk. Okay, so we have flattened out the sand, tamped it down, flattened it out, and then we started setting what stones we had left. And now my husband's over there shoveling in the pea gravel to go kind of in the grout lines, and then all we'll have left to do after that is the edging stones around it. We even recruited a little extra help, my oldest son and his new bride right there. So makes quick work of it when you got a few people working.